Hi friends, welcome back to Amusing Ahana's channel. It's springtime of the year and leaves are saying goodbye to trees. They just don't add to the beauty of surroundings but also gave Ahana a reason to play a new outdoor game, building castle with leaves. Dry leaves making crunching sound made her so happy that she spent hours enjoying their soothing sound, picking leaves from here and there and then jumping over them. I can't believe that she has not watched TV for last 2 days. And other advantages of such outdoor activities are right on your screen. I also believe that spending time in such activities outdoors not only give your toddler something different to do but also bring them closer to nature, and nature in itself is a great teacher. It not only fosters child's intellectual, emotional, physical and social development but also stimulates all their senses. So let them spend ample time in nature climbing trees, experiencing water bodies, exploring rocks, bugs and insects, listening to birds and gazing at the cloud. And to that end, keep watching the channel for more such videos. Ahana, what are you building? Leaves castle? So this little girl is going to pick some more leaves. कासल नहीं बन रहा? क्यों? Ahana, are you tired now? What are you going to have? Papi? Okay, wait. So Ahana, what did you do today? Castle jump. What else did you do today? How did you do? How did you jump?